Hello everyone, I have these two lemons. Both of them are organic, and this one still soft. This is like a rock. It's already completely dry out. Skin is very hard. So sometimes there are no many choices in store for organic lemons because I use them for my tea. Just place them with skin on my tea. I'm trying to buy organic lemons, and at some point I saw only small lemons in the bag. I didn't have a choice how to and bought them. Later on I found a bigger size, and I used to have a lemon tree on my yard, and I can tell you, if you have small fruits like this one, which means you didn't thin out your lemon tree, because any citruses, they do a lot of flowers and very close to each other, like up to 7 or maybe even 10. So what I used to do, I go when they size a bit like this, and will remove some lemons, and I will leave it 2 or 3 lemons in a cluster, and minimum size will be like this if I'm thin them out. If I don't, it will be like this. And even a bigger size I would get maybe like this if I leave it only 2 in a cluster. So since I'm out, nothing wrong with this lemon. This one doesn't store very well, lose moisture very fast compared to big lemons. That's the only difference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Leave me a comment below.